Hey there! Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. The issue at hand involves needing braces in a raw string literal that incorporates interpolation. The example code snippet given initially seems like it should work like a charm, outputting a specific string. However, there's a pesky issue that prevents it from compiling, labeled as CS9006. Quite the problem, right? Now, let's dive into the solution that cracked the case wide open. Remember, the key revelation here is that the count of the leading dollar and interpolation braces must match up perfectly. So, to include verbatim substrings such as involve still utilizing interpolation, the magic formula lies in using $$ alongside and it might sound a bit quirky, but it's the secret sauce that makes everything fall into place. Voila, problem solved. In wrapping things up, we've successfully tackled the challenge of incorporating braces in a raw string literal with interpolation. The trick of matching the number of dollar signs to the braces in the interpolation sequence proved to be the golden ticket. With this nifty technique in your toolbox, you'll be waltzing through similar situations with ease. It's been a pleasure diving into this problem-solving journey with you. Remember to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!